integration, flexible resources, and economies of scale. Cloud computing is the solution for next generation technology. It includes servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. All exist over the internet. Want to know more about it? Hello everyone, I'm Saloni from Team Webtel. In this video, I will explore the various aspects of cloud computing, including available modules and type of cloud solutions. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft for regular enterprise updates. First, let's understand what is a cloud computing all about. Let's start with the basics.
Cloud computing, a deep dive. Let's understand about the cloud computing, about the models, types, and deployment strategies. Let's have an introduction to cloud computing. Basically, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of the IT resources over the internet in a pay-as-you-go model. Or we can say that cloud computing is a computing services including the servers, storage, database, networking, softwares over the internet. And a cloud computing is hosted in a remote data center that is managed by a cloud service provider. Or we can say that a cloud provider will be allocating the resource, or they will be allocating a resource scheduler through which internet will be provided to different users. Now let's have a look at the benefits of cloud computing. So our first benefit of using a cloud computing service is cost efficiency, as it reduces infrastructure and it also helps in the maintenance of the cost. Then comes quick deployment, as it is a plug-in and play model that will help in reducing the installation time. Or you can say that there is no need of a physical device configuration. Then is enhanced scalability, which means that it helps to scale up IT resources or to accommodate processing fluctuations and peaks automatically. And this will be done as per the organizational needs. Then comes the data security, as using a cloud computing, a higher degree of data security and quick disaster recovery will be there. Then is flexibility, a higher flexibility with the choice of cloud resources and deployment models will be there. So these are the benefits of cloud computing. Now let's have a look at the overview of a cloud deployment. Cloud deployment is deciding where and how computing resources will be hosted, managed, and accessed. And these are the cloud deployment models like public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud, and multiple cloud. So let's understand about each and every deployment model one by one. So our first model is public cloud. As the name suggests, the computing services offered by the third-party providers over the public internet and making them available to anyone who wants to use or who want to purchase. And this type of public cloud will be used by the businesses, those who are looking for the cost-effective and scalable solutions. Then is private cloud. A private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, or the resources are managed and used by a single organization only. And this type of cloud servers will be used, or this type of private cloud will be used by the industry with stringent compliance requirement and large enterprises with specific security and customization needs. Then is your hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private clouds, or we can say that it is a combined elements of public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them. And this hybrid cloud will be used for achieving a balance between security and the flexibility. Then comes the multi-cloud. Multi-cloud is a combination of multiple public clouds or a mix of public and private clouds to increase the availability and reliability of the cloud services. And the last one is community cloud. A community cloud is a type of cloud computing services that is shared or that is targeted to a limited set of organizations. Also, we can say that community cloud is accessible by multiple organizations, integrating the services of different clouds and providing a shared platform based on work requirements. Then comes the cloud service models. Cloud services are hosted by a third-party cloud service provider to make computing resources, that is infrastructure, platform, and the software available over the internet. Cloud computing services are of three types. First one is IaaS, then comes the PaaS, and the last one is SaaS. In case of IaaS, applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS will be managed by the user and rest of the services will be managed by cloud service provider. Whereas in the case of PaaS, application and data will be managed by the user, and in case of SaaS, all the services will be managed by the cloud service provider. For more clarity, let's have a look at each and every cloud service model one by one. So our first one is infrastructure as a service. Basically, IaaS is the distribution of computing infrastructure on a subscription-based model, providing users with the access to virtual machines and the storage over the internet through third-party hosted data centers. And these are the benefits of using the IaaS. Cost saving, as it eliminates the need for on-premise data centers and hardwares, reducing upfront cost. Then is scalability, as easily scales resources up or down based on the demands, offering flexibilities. Then is the control. Users have more control over the infrastructure and can configure the resources as needed. Now our second model of this is PaaS, which is platform as a service. PaaS provides users access to both software and hardware tools without managing the underlying infrastructure. The cloud service provider manages the server, storage, and networking, while users focus on application development. And these are the benefits of using platform as a service, like simplified development, as it accelerates application development with pre-built tools and services. Then cost efficiency is there, as it reduces the need for in-house infrastructure management that will be leading to cost saving. Then the third one is scalability, as it allows seamless scaling of applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Then comes the software as a service, as SaaS allows end users to run existing applications over the web without the need for downloading or installing software, as the application is centrally hosted and managed by a third-party cloud service provider. And these are the benefits of using a SaaS model, as it helps in accessibility, as users can access software and applications from any device with an internet connection. Then automatic updates, as it ensures that users always have access to the latest features and security patches. Then is cost efficiency. It eliminates the need for individual installation that will help in reducing maintenance cost for the users. Now let's have a look at the Webtel cloud services. Webtel is going to provide Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, WebConnect as a virtual machine. WebConnect also has a remote server access, platform as a service, or we can say that PaaS, software as a service, SaaS, and backup services also provided by Webtel. Let's have a look at each and every cloud service one by one. So our first service is Google Workspace. As Webtel brings you Google Workspace, a solution designed to transform the way your teams collaborate and boost productivity. Then comes Microsoft 365 for businesses seeking seamless integration, end-to-end support, and reliable productivity tools. Webtel provides Microsoft 365 for the businesses. Then is WebConnect, or we can say a virtual machine. WebConnect is provided by Webtel and it is your go-to solution for increased work flexibility, enhanced data security, and seamless data access. Then is WebConnect Remote Server Access. Experience the freedom to access your business software, data, and applications from any location and at any time with WebConnect. Then is Platform as a Service or PaaS. By delivering both hardware and software tools over the internet, Webtel's PaaS cloud model facilitates a seamless and efficient environment for businesses to innovate and build robust applications. Then Webtel is providing a SaaS module as well. Webtel's hosted SaaS module catered to end users over the internet provide businesses with the flexibility and accessibility needed for optimal performance. Then backup services. With Webtel's business backup services, bid farewell to concerns about the data loss. Our cost-efficient pricing models ensure that your business data is securely protected, offering a peace of mind and resilience against unforeseen events. Now, why trust Webtel? As Webtel is a trusted and a secure provider. Webtel is known for its reliability and commitments to the security, ensuring that user data and the resources are handled with highest levels of trust and confidentiality. Then, assistance in the cloud migration. Webtel provides comprehensive support during the migration process, ensuring a seamless transitions as organizations move their operations to the cloud. Then, addressing evolving threats and security protocol. Webtel proactively tackles evolving cybersecurity threats by implementing robust security measures, ensuring a secure and resilient cloud environment for their client. So this is a brief introduction about the cloud computing and the cloud computing services offered by Webtel.
I hope you have understood that the adoption of cloud solutions improve innovation, allowing organizations to achieve faster time to market, better flexibility and reliability, increased performance, efficiency, and lower IT cost. For better comprehension, check out the blog link in the video description box and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, then let us know in the comment section. Also, you can comment if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next Thursday, we will come up with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance and enterprise journey.